What's going on, YouTube, man? Back with another video. If you haven't already, man, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell and hit the like button. And if you can, share these videos, man. But today, just like a little vlog type video, hopefully, basically, it's able to motivate you, you know, the ones that's watching, and you know, everybody else around you, man. Because basically, we need more motivation, and positive energy in the world right now, man. But pretty sure you guys see the thumbnail, you see the topic, man. And I just want to say, man, to them boys, just keep doing y'all thing, man. Y'all already up there. It's some of us that's trying to get up there and achieve our goals, and you know, we pushing ourselves harder and harder, and just basically seeing other YouTubers progressing and you know, doing good at, you know, what we trying to do, you know. So that's pretty much a good thing, man. So if you haven't known already, I bumped into I end up seeing Jeremy. If you don't know who he is, go subscribe to his channel. It's called The Life of Jeremy Barrett. If you don't know who he is, basically tall guy brother. If you don't know who Tall Guy is, go subscribe to his channel, Tall Guy Car Reviews. And shout out to Mr. Organik as well. But basically, I followed Jeremy through Tall Guy. It was like a while ago. This one, Jeremy had his black SRT. Those things like SRT8 Charger or whatever, and they had another car too, man. I forgot what it was, but I know they had the SRT8 Charger, and they had a smaller car, like a Soul or something like that. I think it was something like that when he first started the channel. But he progressed, man. Like, he was humble when I met him. You know, we only talked for a few seconds because I was kind of, it was early in the morning, so I was kind of in a rush, and I'm sure he was kind of in a rush. I did take a little video of the truck or whatever, man. That truck is mean in person, man. Man, the Ramreazy 2.0, that's a bad truck in person, man. You gotta look at all the details in that truck, man, because it definitely have a lot of details in it. And if you're into cars, you would definitely appreciate all the details that it has in it, man, because you just gotta know, man. Like, it's definitely not something that you could just slap together overnight, that's for sure. And come together with that overnight, that took some time to put together, as we seen on YouTube. But like, you can't really hate on them boys, man. I be reading the comments and stuff, and you know, people be hating. Like, how can you hate on a person that's trying to do, you know, better for themselves? You know, everybody out here trying to do better for themselves, man, especially in these times right now. Like, it's so messed up right now. You know, so what's the point of hating on someone? Like, I never get the point of hating on somebody. Like, if you see them doing better than you, you should take that in and try to use that as motivation to do better. Like, that should be motivation to do better. That shouldn't want you to hate on a person. That hating shit is that's gay. Like, that shit gay, man. Like, who wanna hate on another person because they feeding their family? Like, get your ass up and grind and do the same thing. Like I said, we should use that as motivation. Like, we should use that so we can get our ass up every day and get out here and grind so we can achieve our goals. You know, we watching them, and you know, we should look at that like, damn, if they doing it, I could do it. Let me get my ass up off my ass and go out here and do something, and you know, be productive in this world, instead of just sitting my ass around here and ain't doing nothing. That's why I always like to be productive. I don't like to be a couch potato. I don't like to just sit around and do nothing. I like to be productive and do something, so I can feel like I accomplished something, you know, and just not just in this world doing nothing. But yeah, man, that's what I just wanted to, you know, give you guys some motivation. Like, cause seeing him basically, cause like, of course I'm in Arizona, so basically seeing Jeremy riding around in that mud, and I done seen him a few times riding around in that Ram. You know, we done passed each other on the freeway plenty times, you know, just commuting around. But it was definitely a blessing to just catch him in person and be able to, you know, just chop it up with him for a second. And like I told him, you know, hopefully, you know, we can sit down and do, you know, a little more content, you know, in the future. Bump into each other, you know, car meet or something, you know. So hopefully we can do something in the future. Hopefully next time Tall Guy come down to Arizona, or come over to Arizona, I can bump into him as well, and you know, just get some motivational speech from, you know, all of them, you know, because they might give me some knowledge that I don't know, that, you know, I could use to better myself and, you know, what I'm trying to achieve. You never know, because every day we learn something. So they might have information for me that I don't know, and that might be the little piece to the puzzle that I need to push myself further, you know, move my channel further, you know, do better, you know, because I'm into cars as well. I've been into cars for a long time. I know a lot about cars, though. You know, I work on cars, you know, so I know a lot about cars. So I could definitely use whatever knowledge that they could give me to move forward. I don't know everything, they don't know everything, but what they know can definitely help me move forward. You know, any little knowledge is you know, helpful. You know, I definitely don't hate on nobody because they doing better than me. That's something stupid, you know. You should sit down and talk to that person to see what they're doing that you're not doing, so you could be successful just like them. You know, of course, everybody not about to, you know, of course, want you to do better, but it is some people out here that you can bump shoulders with, and, you know, they see that you, but one thing for sure, people not going to help you if they not seeing you trying to help yourself. That's for sure fact. And, you know, if they see you hungry and you grinding and you want to go get it, of course, people gonna help you. That is no doubt. They gonna help you. But that is, man, that's basically what I want to talk about, man. Just motivation. Stop letting people tell you can't do something. Stop all that negative shit. Just get up and go out and get it. But enough of me talking, man. I'm gonna show y'all the car. the Ramreazy 2.0. I recorded a little short video of it, man. But peace, I'm out. On to the next, man. Barrett gang. Gang. Look who just pulled in the G station, man. Big legendary truck. Look at that mud, man. See if I can get out and talk to him, man. See what's about to happen. What's going on, gang? We got the truck out here, man. This thing is big legendary. Y'all know how that happened right there. But that thing is legendary, man. That thing is legendary. I told y'all this is a big ass truck, man. Y'all was watching Tall Guy car reviews videos, and that's a big ass truck. That's nice, man. He got the steps on there, as y'all know. That thing is nice, man. And it's definitely hitting. Y'all see the words in the grill. I mean, in the light, y'all see the words. That thing is nice. He definitely did his thing on that one, man. That's nice. That's nice, man. I definitely got to step my game up, because that thing is nice. I'm liking it. Even got the ram done. Y'all got to just look at the details, man. Look at the details on this thing. I like it. Man. Alright, guys. Y'all just watched that, man. The big legendary Ramreazy 2.0, man. Let me guys know what you think about that truck, man. 'Cause that truck is big and it's nice, man. I'm gonna try to, you know, see if maybe I can get more footage with that truck, man. Maybe show y'all, you know, more of the truck. But I'm pretty sure y'all done seen it on Tall Guy channel. If you haven't already, go subscribe to his channel at Tall Guy Tall Guy Car Reviews. Of course, you can see it on Jeremy's channel as well. His channel is called The Life of Jeremy Barrett, both on YouTube. So go check out their channels, man, because I'm pretty sure you guys will see more content of that truck on their channel. I just like that truck. Every time I see it, man, I just like to look at it because it's definitely motivation. You know, I like to get motivation from people because that helps me push myself further. Because I definitely came from nothing, man. Like I said, I came from the east side of Detroit, the slums, nothing. Came up with nothing, you know. So basically, everything I get, you know, I basically got to work for it. You know, grind hard for it. You know, it's not given to me. My family not rich at all, but you know, I get deep into, you know, a life story of myself, you know, background history, a little background history of my family and myself. Can't give out too much, you know, because too much is too much, if you understand. If you know, you know. But all right, guys, man, if you're here just watching the channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bells, hit the like button, man. Share these videos, because we definitely trying to get these subscribers up, man. And yeah, man, just go to Tall Guy Car Reviews and Jeremy Barrett. You know, I definitely, you know, support them boys, and, you know, like to see them boys, you know, be successful. Because it ain't a lot of black successful people in this world, especially now there's young brothers in this world. So go holler at them, man. Tell them, you know, they definitely got people out here, you know, that's inspired by what they doing out here in this world, man. Peace, I'm out.